Hello guys, this is Forum and welcome to FMA Makeup Tutorials. I am up with a new video and I am trying this spotlight cut crease look. I'll be using the Nubian palette from Juvia, which looks like this. It has beautiful eccentric colors and I'll be using all of it. For my blush and highlight, I have used the colors from the palette itself you'll be watching in the video. And if you like my video, do not forget to hit the like button and comment in the comment section below. If you want to know how did I achieve this look, please keep on watching. I am starting with the Essence eyeshadow primer and applying it all over my eyelid as usual, and I have done my base and eyebrows. I'm using the color Intensifying base on the areas where I wish to apply the blue color, and it would be the corner of my eye, inner corner as well. I'll be dabbing it all over my eyelid only. And now by using this beautiful Nubian palette in the color Morocco, I'll be applying it all over my eyelid with a flat brush and making a very dark base to play with. And this is going to give us a beautiful base to work on. And using fluffy brush, I am just wiping all the excess amount of the eyeshadow over my eyes. Now I am applying the Madagascar and Kenya, that is a brown color, into my crease to give it a little bit of more depth so that I have a beautiful eye shape to work on. And do not forget to smudge everything. I'm taking a little bit of foundation so that we achieve the stickiness of the foundation to apply a beautiful eyeshadow over it so that we do not lose the color and the pigment of the same. So I'm applying it to the inner corner and the outer corner of my eyes and leaving a V or a U kind of a structure in between for the spotlight crease. I am just dabbing the shade Cleopatra, that is a blue shade, on the applied foundation on my eyes so that we get a beautiful intense blue eye makeup. Now applying the foundation exactly on the center of my eyelid where I want the spotlight finish. I'm applying the foundation gently and smudging it as well. So I have this glitter sparkly pigment from MAC and I'm applying just on the outer corner of my lid, and on the center of my eyelid goes a Nairobi, that is a beautiful golden shimmery color. By using the Black Fever eye pencil from Essence, I am just lining the below my waterline and smudging it with a pointed brush, and using the shade Madagascar and Kenya again, I will be smudging it more to achieve a beautiful smoky under eye. And the blue kajal goes in my waterline to give it a beautiful finish of the eyeshadow and looks a little different as well. Lining my tight line with the black color. Now I'm using this Isadore pencil which has beautiful glitters in it, and it is moreover like a purple based silver pencil, using it to highlight my inner corner. And this Orbit from MAC, that's the In Orbit color from MAC, it has glitters in it, goes on my eyelid again where I want a spotlight finish. The MAC Hot and Naughty mascara goes on my eyelashes to just coat it with a black color, and the Versali eyelashes goes on my eyelash to give it that wingy look. Maybelline gel liner goes on my eyelid for lining a beautiful eyeliner with a nice wing, and I want a long wing for this look. And I'm just lining my inner corner as well and mixing it with the blue waterline I have created. You can skip this step entirely to apply the eyeliner, because spotlight eyes look good without the eyeliner as well. I'm cleaning up my corners by a concealer so that I get a sharp look for my eyes, dabbing it with a beauty blender and just ready to go. Brow bone, highlights and cleaning of my eyebrows are in this procedure. And yeah, I'm doing it. Using the lightest golden shade out of the palette, I am just highlighting my brow bone and my eyes are ready. We go to my face and use Morocco and yeah as color for my blush. And yes, the color's name is yeah, that is YAA. That's a beautiful rose goldy color, and I'm using Nairobi for my highlight. It is a golden shade, so it will give me more Egyptian feeling and it will go very well with the spotlight eyes. I'm using Nairobi to highlight the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose as well, and my Cupid's bow also. Now Velvet Teddy from MAC, which is a matte color, goes right on my lips. MAC lip gloss also goes on top of Velvet Teddy. This is more like a golden shade and I'm good to go. I untie my hair and this is my final look. Have a close look. For my base, I have used the Essence All Stay 16 Hours Long Lasting Makeup in the shade of Soft Cream and Soft Sand. I have mixed both of them. For the concealer, I have used Stay All Day Long Lasting Concealer from Essence again. I have used the Pro Concealer from LA Girl Cosmetics in the shade of Dark Cocoa for my contouring, and for my blush and highlight I have used the colors from the palette itself. This is it guys, this is my final look. I hope that you like it. Alright, bye for now, see you in my next video. Bye.